Second genetic chromosomal disorder is Klinefelter syndrome. It is caused by XXY genome. XXY genome, how the individual arises when the due to non-disjunction, say if the sex chromosome pair it fails to separate. Say in case of a female, during egg formation 1 to 22 autosomes they separate, and the 23rd pair, that is XX chromosome, it fails to separate. Then what will be the eggs formed? Eggs formed will be 1 to 22 and XX, and second type of egg will be having only 1 to 22 chromosomes without X chromosome. So here the total number of chromosomes will be 24, and here the total number of chromosomes will be 22. If this individual, say it fuses with a normal sperm, Y bearing sperm, 1 to 22 and Y, then the individual will be, it will have 1 to 44, that is 22 pairs of chromosomes plus XXY. This individual, it has got one extra sex chromosome, that is instead of 46 it is having 47 chromosomes. These individuals are sterile. It will be a sterile female with many male like characters. All the individuals in this category, they show following symptoms. They are sterile male, having small testes, unusually long legs, obesity, they have mental retardation, sparse or less body hairs, they show feminine characters, that is development of breast in males, and this condition is called gynecomastia. Such individuals have overall masculine development. What is the cause? This genotype results due to non-disjunction of XX chromosome during egg formation. When XX egg fuses with normal Y-bearing sperm, it produces XXY individual with 47 chromosomes, and the individual has 44 autosomes plus XXY genotype. As shown in your book, the picture of the individual suffering with Klinefelter syndrome is this. Now, this is another, that is the Turner syndrome. This is the Turner syndrome, and the cause is the same. The individual has the genotype, the second egg, which was lacking the X chromosome. If it fuses with the normal sperm, that is 1 to 22, say X bearing sperm, the zygote will have 1 to 44 autosomes plus XO. O means missing. The individual has total 45 chromosomes in, and we have shown this cross. This cross can be made for both Klinefelter syndrome as well as the Turner syndrome. देखिए, the women and the man, the genotype is 44 autosome plus XX, and the male is 44 autosome plus XY. Gamete formed. The gamete formed are 22X and XX due to non-disjunction. This you have to remember. And another egg has 22 autosomes only with no X chromosome. Here it should be 22 and XX and 22 autosomes and O. The individual will be 20, ये पे जो individual आएगा 44 autosomes plus XXX. It is called a super female. Here it is 44 autosomes plus XXY. Individual is suffering from Klinefelter syndrome. And 44 autosomes plus XO. This is Turner syndrome. 44 autosomes plus YO. This is non-viable. Such individuals, they do not survive because genes for survival are located on X chromosome. So, Turner syndrome, for it you will be writing the same cause, and Turner syndrome, it results by the union of abnormal egg X and normal sperm bearing X. abnormal egg without eggs, and normal sperm bearing X chromosome. Individual has 45 chromosomes and genotype is 2n-1. The symptoms shown are such individuals, they are sterile females, they show underdeveloped breast, reduced ovary, small uterus, subnormal intelligence, loose skin of neck, they have short stature or short height, many male-like characters like heavy muscles and narrow hips. They do not ovulate. Chances of birth of such individuals are 1 in 3000. This is the individual suffering from Turner syndrome. So we are finished with chapter 5 and tomorrow we will begin with chapter number 6.